So start today's problem. The problem is max subarray sum by removing at most once, right? The problem says that given an array, find the maximum sum of non-empty subarray. We have to find the non-empty subarray. You are allowed to skip at most one element in the subarray. We have only allow remove only one, at most one, to finding the maximum subarray. So in that we just have to skip one is -4 and remains add, so we can get the 11, right? Here is we can maximum subarray, so skipping only for -2 and then all, and then adds all this, which is maximum sum achievable sum, which means in that we have to only remove one, that means one element, and then we have to find the maximum subarray, right? Okay, so if you have to find the maximum subarray, so in our mind there is that means algorithm attack, which is a Kadane's algorithm. But before Kadane's algorithm, we can find the any other approaches, that can brute force approach. So yes, the brute force approach is basically to checking every subarray. For each subarray, try removing every possible one element, which means we have to try, we just have to take the one array element, and then in that whole array element we have to find and we have to crack like which one we have to remove this, or which one we have to take this, which one remove, which one take, which one remove, which one take. So these are all possibilities, right? So in that I just have to in the brute force approach, I just come on the brute force approach, and then I just go on the that optimal approach, not better approach. Okay, so in that our starting is int n is equal to array dot size, and one is answer is equal to, we can take the mean, right? And 4 int l is equal to 0, l is equal to n, and l plus plus, got it? And then 4 int r is equal to l, and r is equal to n, and r plus plus, right? Now in the case 1 is equal to no deletion, right? So in that int sum is equal to 0, and 4 int I is equal to 1, I greater than is equal to r, and I plus plus, got it? Now sum plus is equal to array of I, got it? Now answer is equal to max of answer and sum, right? Now if just go on the case 2, and case 2 is delete one element, right? And in that if l greater than of r, like this, then 4 int skip is equal to l, and a skip greater than is equal to r, and a skip plus plus, right? Here is int temp is equal to 0, and 4 int I is equal to l, and I greater than is equal to r, and I plus plus. If in that conditions, if I is not equal to skip, like this of, and then we just have to temp plus array of I, and nothing, just to and add the in, we just have to find the answer is equal to max of answer and temp, and then we just have to return the answer. Now we can see there is any problem, error? No. Try to submit it, so it will not submitted, I think, because it will take in the order of n square, you can see n cube, sorry, right? Okay, so just go on the optimal approach. We can just try on the optimal approach. In the optimal approach we maintain two values. Which one? No delete and one delete. No delete is basically maximum subarray sum ending at correct index, which means maximum subarray sum ending at correct index एंड विथ नो डिलीशंस। मतलब हम लोग क्या करना है, एक एरे मतलब एक क्या मैक्सिमम सब एरे फाइंड करना है और उसको क्या करना है कि एंडिंग वाला डिलीट करना है, मतलब उसको डिलीट नहीं करना है अभी। और वन डिलीट मतलब मैक्सिमम सब एरे सम एंडिंग एट करेक्ट इंडेक्स विथ एटमोस्ट वन डिलीशंस। और हम लोग को एक ऐसा फाइंड करना है जो कि ना बहुत ही मतलब मैक्सिमम फाइंड हो, उसमें से एक डिलीट करके। ठीक है, तो उसको लेते हैं। इसका कोड बहुत छोटा होगा, उतना लंबा नहीं होगा। सो नाउ आई जस्ट ट्राई टू इंट n is equal to array dot size, right? And then int not delete is equal to array of 0 and int 1 delete is equal to array of 0, right? Int answer is equal to array of 0, right? For int I is equal to 1 and I greater than is equal to and I plus plus, and int x is equal to array of I, right? Int new 1 delete is equal to max of 1 delete plus x and no delete. Int new no delete is equal to max of x no delete and plus x 1 delete is equal to new 1 delete and no delete is equal to new no delete, right? And answer is equal to max of answer of max 2 no delete and 1 delete, right? And then रिटर्न आंसर। ठीक है, सिंपल सा है। मतलब एक को पिक करना है और उसमें से सबसे पहले एक पूरा एरे में से चेक करना है कि क्या हम लोग को सबसे मैक्सिमम मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है। मैक्स मिलने के बाद उसमें से हम लोग डिलीट करना है। सो नाउ चेक हियर, दिस विल पास, यस इट विल पास द ऑल टेस्ट केसेस. So I hope you will understand this problem, and in that the time complexity of this problem is order of n, because we have just running one loop, and the space is order of 1 because I am not taking any extra spaces for that. So hope you will understand this question. So please you can write your better approach in that problem, that is use uh, good for you and also for me. And please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.